Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. The silver price continues to push higher. We've got two different scenarios that are, however, in the short term on the same track. So first scenario, which I cannot yet make to the primary scenario, I think to be honest, it is at the moment 50-50. After we hit my reversal area here, we moved up in something that I cannot clearly label as an impulse. It would work if I force it, but it's not ideal. But let's just call it a wave 1 for now, here in yellow. We then came down in a wave 2. This, however, looks corrective. And now we are pushing up in what could be a wave 3. Target-wise, we expect this to reach the area between the 21.95 level and the 22.86 level. So between the 1.618 extension and the 200% of the wave 1, in a wave 3. So this would be the bullish expectation. The higher the better for the bullish count, very clearly. If this is the case, we would expect that, as I said, this is a wave 3. And in a wave 3, we would be looking at here a 1, 2, this the 3, here a 4, and then the 5 to the upside. Which wasn't great is that we briefly dropped below that 19.99, well, basically $20 level, but it was only very briefly, so I wouldn't be too bothered about it. Let's take a look if the Fibonacci levels for a wave 4 are fine. And here we can see that we came with that retracement perfectly into the region of what you would expect for a wave 4. So we came into the region between the 50% Fib level at 1986 and the 38.2 between 2020. So that's fine for a wave 4, in general perfect. Now it could be the wave 4 is already done and we push higher, or, and that is pretty much what I actually expect, is that we're just forming here some kind of a triangle. You get these very often in a wave 4, and a lot of the cryptos are doing it at the moment, just sideways consolidation that could become some kind of a bullish pennant, you can call it, something that should break to the upside. Never guaranteed, but it should. And you can say that we may have done here wave A, B, C, D, E, getting into the apex, and then a breakout to the upside. So that's let's call it the bullish count. The bearish count would be that we, and again, we cannot really confirm that a bottom was in place here until we have all 5 waves complete that you can see here. So the wave 1 is already done, the wave 2 as well. The wave 3 should get into this area, and here it can fail. It can fail. So it could very well be, it looks like we're coming down in a wave 4 and then break through this target area and then come down. So they can always fail at 3 waves. So it could very well just be an ABC. So we don't know that until we get the 5 waves complete. What would I do then if we have a confirmed bottom in place? I would personally wait for the ABC and then enter here because then this would count as a larger 1-2 setup. Okay, not chasing green candles. Don't really like doing that. Now again, it could also be an ABC, which would be let's say the bearish pattern, which would be followed by an impulse down to make lower lows. But even in this C wave, we should ideally reach this area between 21.95 and 22.87, or 85. But if we reach it, I think if this is a wave C, it probably is sort of limited to the 21.95 level. We might not quite get there. We'll see. If there is weakness and we don't get there, I think it could be pretty clear that it is just a C wave and not a very powerful and bullish wave 3. And that's where we are. And we need to see how high we really go in this third wave to then really accurately calculate the wave 4 retracement. I've made an assumption here. I can't remember if I based it on the lower or the higher level here, but it depends on really where we will end here to determine the target area for the wave 4. I've currently based this on the area between $20.40 and $21.75. But if we drop below that lower level here, then the breakout will be initially invalidated. And that's my update about silver. So still on track here for slightly rising prices. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.